Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm Saif. In this video I'm going to show you some different features of Adobe After Effects. First of all, you have to download and install it in your computer. When you open it, something appears like this. If you feel any problem about it, that if you haven't installed it, register it, or you are feeling some problems in installing it, you can ask me in comments. So when you install it and open it, something appears like this. It contains different project windows, toolbox and menu. So first of all, in order to know about different functions, we have to create a new composition, so all functions could be unlocked and we can learn about them. So in order to create a new composition, you can go to file, click new and new composition, or you can right click on your project window and click on new composition. Here you can change your composition name, its resolution, or its width and height, and its frame rate, or its length and its background color. Now we have activated all the functions of our After Effects. Now we have some functions here. First of all, we talk about menu. In menu we have different things to apply on our composition. Then we have composition and project window, where we can edit or import different files. Then we have file controls, that if we apply any effect on it, then we can edit it here. Then we have composition menu. Here we can edit our composition and apply it in different ways. Then we have this window where we can apply different effects too, and these windows, this is effect window where we have different effects. Then review window where we can review our project. So first of all, in order to know about different things, let me show you different objects that are given in the toolbox. First of all is selection tool. By selection tool you can move any object anywhere. For example, if we import an image and its size and put it here, now we have such image here. If we click and move it here, by selection tool we can move it. Also selection tool helps us to resize any image. Then we have selection tool. Selection tools also moves image anywhere including object. Then we have zoom in tool to zoom in or out. Then we have rotation tool to rotate any image. Camera tool to view any our project in any rotation or rotate it. Then we have camera tool to view our project in different angles. Then we have pen behind tools. Shape layers. Shape layers can be created. You can see if we have created shape layer, and we have limited area of our picture. There are different type of shape layers, for example rectangle, rounded, ellipse, polygon and star. Then we have pen behind tool. Pen behind tool is used in different things. You can learn it when we'll use it. Then we have text tool to write text on it. And then we have brush tool and clone stamp, eraser tool, roto brush and different tools. So in order to use different things, we come to composition menu. In composition menu we have masks. Since we have created a pen tool and rectangle tool to draw, we have two masks, but we'll not talk about it. We'll talk about it in future. So if we click on transform, this is the main characteristics of our object that we have placed on our project window. We have placed a image on our project, and we can change its anchor point. Anchor point is the center of the point we have placed here. You can see anchor point here. Then we have position. You can change its position. Let me tell you about a trick. If we click on stopwatch and click a keyframe, then we move ahead and create another keyframe and resize it. For example, if I click 200 and if I click to 200, so this is how it looks like. Now you can see how a simple change in numbers draw an animation. Then we have scale. For example, if I click a scale, then we move ahead and create another keyframe. Keyframes are actually used to draw different shapes within different points. And let me now we create such. Now this is it looks like. Also we have rotation. We talked before previously too that we can rotate any of our image. Then we have opacity to hide or show our image. So this is the main features of our composition or project window. Now we have effects and presets. For example, if we have effects, we can apply on it by using clicking right and enabling 3D layer. Now animation presets, and we click on, let me select blinking. So let me show you how it works. You can see it's animating and blinking too. So these are the simplest ways to modify, or you can check your object, or you can design your object. So since it's beginning, so you can learn all the things, but if you try, you can create amazing shapes and different things. So this is the basics of which we talked about. So if you have any questions about it, you can ask me. And let me tell you last thing, that we didn't talk about effect controls. Since we have applied an effect on it, so effect window appears here. You can change its size, also you can change its speed. For example, if we speed increase it, we can see that it's blinking too fast. Then we have enable and behavior and operator tools, so by which we can operate it in different ways. So this is the first tutorial. Hope you learn a lot. Keep trying and ask me if you feel any trouble in your project. See you next time.